Ever added a column in Power BI and wondered, how do I only add a few data points based on a condition? This is where SUMX comes in. SUMX isn't just another sum, it works row by row. It considers only the rows that fulfill a condition and then totals them up. In this video, I'll show you when to use SUMX and how it works behind the scenes. Let's dive in. We have this data of movies released over a period of time. Amongst all the details, we have the date of release and the budget for each movie. We want to find out the total budget for the movies released in the year 2016. We can do that easily using the SUMX function. I'll create a new measure. Total budget for 2016. SUMX. SUMX expects us to provide a table and an expression. SUMX, like CountX and AverageX, is an iterator, which means that it will scan the table row by row and then add the values as per the parameter expression. This means we cannot just provide the table movies as it is. We need to provide a table that only has data for movies created in the year 2016. We can do this using the filter function. Let's write filter. The filter function expects a table and a filter expression. For table, we will provide the table movies. And for the filter expression, we will filter on the movies that released in the year 2016. We will use the column release date. Now we want to filter on the year. If you use a column which has a data type of date, it gives you these options like day, month, quarter, and year. We will use the year option equal to 2016. Close the filter function. We are now back at the SUMX function. The filter function returns a table. So we provided the table for the SUMX function. The next parameter is expression. Here we will provide the reference to the column budget. Now SUMX will go row by row through the column budget of the filter table and add the values. Let's go to the report view and bring this measure to the canvas. And we get the value as approximate 10 billion. That's the sum of budget for all the movies made in the year 2016. So that's it for SUMX. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with questions or topic you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success. Here you'll find videos and what's latest in Excel, Power BI and data analytics. Thanks for watching.